video. In this video, I'm going to show you how we're going to create websites that we can sell on Flipper for 30,000 per sale. These websites are easy to set up and it follows a straightforward process. So what you've got here is a simple content-based website that has ads, AdSense ads, that obviously once someone clicks on one of these ads, you get 30p up to £1 back or up to $1 back per time you get a click. So that's the premise. We're going to build websites like this, and then we're going to monetize them and drive up the revenues and profits and aim for like 1,000 to 2,000 a month in profits from our ads, and then we'll sell them on Flipper. So what we do is we're going to set up ads like this on different networks. So there's Taboola and then there's Facebook ads, and we'll run simple ads to our posts. And when they click on the ad, they go to our post, they can click on these ads and we make money. So networks like this is what we use to basically get our ads in front of the right people. So once the person's clicked on the ads, here's an example also of Facebook ads as well. So simple to make Facebook ads that we run now that will go to our posts with ads on them like this. And when they click on the ads, you get 30p back, you get $1 back, and so on. So that's the process we go through. Also, as a bonus, you'll be building up a fan page as well. So as you can see, 10,000, 11,000 followers. You can also post on the fan page and get even more profits to your websites. Once we've built them, now we move to selling the websites basically on Flipper. So what you've got here is you've got different websites and sold obviously following a similar model. So this is an AdSense website that was only making 80 USD and it sold for 1,900. Here's the one making around 1,100, sold for 16,000. Do you understand? This is only making $700 a month profit and it sold for 16,000. So as you can see here, the multiples are huge. For $42 profit for AdSense website, 510. $841 per month, it sold for 15,000. This is exactly what we do. We build content websites, we drive traffic, we get them up to like 1,000 a month, and then we sell them for 15,000 USD. So if you're interested, I sent it in the email, just join the group, and you can join and get started on this process. Now, obviously, if there's more value, there must be more value here. It can go for crazy amounts of money as well, 125,000. So again, only 138, 3,000. Some of these are SEO, but it's still AdSense-based websites. So you get that idea. 3 grand, 54 grand. $536, 10 grand. Car website, 36 grand. Like what I said, see, we build them. What did I say? To 1,000 a month, and we can sell them for up to 36,000 for a website. So you can see the endless proof. So we build an AdSense approved website, we drive traffic from the networks like Taboola and Facebook ads to our websites, then we list them on Flipper, and we aim to sell them for like 36,000. Now also, even for SEO, I'm going to be also helping you do SEO. So with the websites, we can also SEO the websites and start actually building SEO traffic to them. I've sent the links on below how to join. I just wanted to show you the process that I go through and you can go through to build a new AdSense approved website, monetize it using Facebook ads and Taboola ads, and then sell it on Flipper for a lump sum, as you can see here, and make up to 11,000, 36,000, 44, 54,000, and so on. And then also, you've got these ones as well, and you can see the asking price of them. So content arbitrage, which they're using paid ads, asking for 325 grand. And then you've got another arbitrage system as well, similar to us, asking for 20 grand. So you can see these are the new ones that to sell, and these are the ones that have already been sold. Endless proof, $400 a month, and so on. Some of them, as I said, are SEO, but you can see the point. Look at this. 9,000 a month. It sold for 305,000. So again, if you're interested, just let me know, and I can help set you up. As I said, for those of you who are my clients who've worked with me for ages, there's no cost to join. What you have to do is obviously pay for the AdSense approved website, but that's about it. And then the traffic, and the team will help you build out everything else. The content, I'll train you on how to do it. On the ads, the content, setting it up, the flipper listing, so we can make that lump sum, and I'll guide you through the whole process. I just want to quickly show you as well, one of the new clients, some of their sold listings. So as you can see here, they sold one for 100, they sold one for 150, and again, just $250, that they've made so far, from selling templates. So again, if you want to rejoin that, and also for those of you who already joined, just getting back to you on your templates, just basically optimizing the system, making sure that it's perfect and it works with no issues before I launch it to everyone else. And then anyone who wants to rejoin, who's already like bought the domains or paid for templates and wants to continue, just message me and we can get started again. But that's the process anyway. Obviously templates is great. You can make 100, 200 per template. It adds up. Do you understand? If you keep doing it again and again. But this stuff is even huger. You get passive income and you can sell it in 1 to 2 months. Well, but I would say 2 months, data. So, you make 1,000 profit, 2,000 profit in the second month. And then you can sell it for up to 30,000, as you can see here. So again, the link's below for you if you want to join. And thank you for watching this video.